Good evening, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, good day. Depends on your time. I not mad my look. I'm tired after work. I just the enter house. Now I say make I quick respond to Easy. Easy, my beautiful sister. If it's your first time on my page, please follow the page, thumbs up the video, share the live stream for me. God bless you. Easy, my dear sister, my beautiful sister. You and I know it has been a while when you see me for video like this, right? Clear. I have listened to your part 1, part 2, part 3 video that you have speech that you have dropped so far from TikTok to Facebook. I have listened to everything because I don't want to miss one part. But I'm not going to be dwelling on your speech, but on one particular area. Because just you see me so, my dear sister, maybe you they get of course with your eye where they see you don't do okay, you don't cry finish, your mood don't dey fine, you are strong. Yeah, I'm glad you are strong. You dey feel me so? As you come out today, you watch my video when I dey beg you the other day, say, girl, you know the guy they be pass. Put one together, make you join mama mona give these children better future, make they get life. Based on you see they close to the mother. But when this we gonna feel where Sonia Yogama we no one start coming out every blessed day on TikTok, I know feel better. The one where they happen for Facebook, I might not be seeing all of them, but the one where they happen for TikTok, I they see am 247. If they come to my, if they fly, people they share, even call they give me say, see what you do smile, they talk for mouth. Easy as you were making your speech, you insulted almost all the presenter that are supporting or even saying anything concerning the dead or however, you're supposed to see measure say all those people where they talk wetin mama not talk or they say mama talk can. All those people where they call they say wetin I not talk, they say na me talk can. Not be people where they say easy say hello girl. And don't wear my Korea. Some abominable words, some disgusting statements where they come up for this woman mouth. Now he push me at her. How they won't interfere for this matter. On a normal note, it not concern me. The disease is not my sister, it's not my relative. We are not friends, we are not enemy. But she's my fellow indige of Edo State. The one they start dragging the body, they say easy way, especially for this woman where they here. So that's why I put the two of you together. Especially for this ole Morocco no hoa. Not go 27 years in the way, but mama bebo yak bebo na. Or would you walk in? Most of the things where she say she hear is from you, and she hear it from your mother. You don't just expect us to start hearing bullshit, hearing kakabu, hearing nonsense about somebody who's supposed to be pity for, who's supposed to be pity for the mother, or even sticking her to how the children want to grow those kind of a thing. Somebody like this, Dana like Sonia, like your grandma begin to come and they say, now so your mama say, now so you say, now your grandma side of you and your mama conversation with her. Now I carry me enter social media. If you not hear my voice. Although there are many things you said, which I'm not part of it. But as you see, come and say, Emani, you know, where easy, wanna, iya mwere boto, iya sunvokuta, ereri yari tata we, erikme yari tata we. Wa be rovio kuona undana. Oma no yate ni je me mata, no yate me ni mata yo me gbe. You could have said that so wa me wana yate me ni mata, wana fije me weri evunu. No, you didn't go to that extent. You are insulting those that are pointing to you. And you know there is somebody out there who is singing, saying you are sending her message. I be the fear to tell the because she say, no, she not show you. I be the fear to talk to her. You the fear to let her know, say, Mama, you should make you when we're Jenna. Make you one. I be the fear to let her know. All that's where they say is the way. Why did you make sure the next and let them know, say, make you one? As you mention many names, surrender, go for me or whatever things you said, that is not my part. That is a family issue. That I don't have any business with that. If anybody will sit no say it likes stay less, you want support the GoFundMe, please do. I will also copy paste it in my platform. Please do and support. If our friends want to see support, they support. If outsiders that still have God fearing that have humanity, then said they want to also support, let them support. A support in Mokere. Abe big man politician in Nigeria even go set here there's nothing too small. There's nothing like a mami go ya hey or a mami go ya wana. No. It's your bomb because those children are still little. They are still very, very young. What have a time and even no time and what have you cannot just come out and start people insulting the innocent, insulting the people that are defending the innocent woman based on what we are hearing that you said, that your mother said. My sister, my will make bezo. You understanding me? Me and you know say to adopt speaking for Europe is not easy. All I wanted from you, all I was thinking that I was saying that I wanted from you is to help Mama Sharon, Mother 50 Cent, cater for that children, especially the senior one, which is the not John Oro. Will be say dangerous to you. Be off from there. Let her be getting her say that was my speech. But the time when I know say that this woman not show you, say that this woman join your mama not show you, she's watched you grow. She's your mother best friend. I call it to her speech. She said she roll with your mother 247. But the time when I know say that this woman even there your circle. I got to change my people because she's a disaster. Oh, my see, Emma. Person know for this woman, present better. Nobody will know this woman will get good story about her. Sonia, you're a man of your own. It's just Sandra, it's just Frank, it's just Stalin. Nobody will know this woman will get good story about her. And she can't say she can't be friends. And now call the appeal, say, thank God you returned the child. Because I'm not sick with Sonia, man. Nagmaya me olo umana le olo ida mani le owu ida that person run die na be Sonia na be your grandma no ya unwa because matter what where they come out for this woman mouth it's too heavy to Mama Sharon. As she's saying, she's talking based on the conversation she had with you and your mother. What do you expect from people outside there? Everybody your cover and they fear you. Based on saying you be friend. No, we'll talk. She's a celebrity. She's a public figure for crying out like just like you. When matter arise, everybody go pull matter, everybody go talk. Everything where this Ole Morocco they talk. She says she's talking based on the conversation she's having with you and your mother. And matter for all this matter, what the rest are doing is none of my business. What did this woman they talk? Now make me take come and say no. No. Enough of this rubbish. Stop dragging this woman that just lost her daughter. Why you not talk about that part? I don't care if you know what happened between Sharon and her mother, whether you know what it be the misunderstanding or not misunderstanding, however you want to pet Mama Sharon, however you want to describe her, whatever you want to describe her to be, is none of my goddamn business. All I just say is that you guys should give this woman a peace. People should give this woman a peace and let the innocent girl rest in peace. All the rest in peace when people they tap for her, all of them they bounce back in not good where that day because una will be vulture, una will be mush now they collect the rest in peace for road. If somebody like your grandma no your one no see you your mother's friend. Or you want to tell me say no they watch this woman for TikTok because she's your nursing mother. She said she not show you. She said she watched you grown. She joined your mother to bring you up. This woman, like she talking. You know they watch her video. Even if you know they watch her live video on TikTok, aren't you see her videos on Facebook? The one where blogger they cut, they share, they go everywhere. You want them to say you know they see her. Now let Monica how you they see. Now let me how you they see. Now let other people how you they see. You know they see this woman. Everything she's saying, she says she's talking based on the conversation of you and your mother. E.g. or which way we here? Ikesu do me lo kona talon obun. No ye say less ladian. Number 1. Ogun no gbomo eno. That is number 1. Number 2. Owijwe win ye. Say your mother said she dey wait na 50 cent movie you turn. Iya akpole look person iya akpole look mila. What would you why your man not drag her when her daughter sits there like she have anything that she ever if there's any way she ever offended your mother or insulted your mother have any blemish with your mother? Why not that she's in pain? And number 3, I wish you mom so the mom Sharon go the Sharon ya dowa. Maybe you can explain that part better for us so that we go know where the man will do. So that who no want talk, everybody go know. So okay, now so this matter they go. More leave this matter for them, make they handle this matter because the way where the matter they go on social media now, not the way where they put out, not the way they circulate for inside TikTok from this Sonia. Dano babenole Morocco no ho wa prescara. Dana. E wo bi no warrior dead na. Abi we me nota. You know they listen to her. Now don't I just make I can't ask you whether or not they hear what is on at the talk. Only way you don't know where easy. And me ever man or what talk it's not a test serio. Or what dog wa visual. Or what dog wa visual. Because we need to know that very part clear. Even if other people don't have interest. I have interest on behalf of Mother 50 Cents. I have never spoken with her. I don't even sure I know her in person. Yes, I saw her for one party for Radio Emilia when smart no time, be name no time. You why do lunch because na Mama Sharon be that. Now sit no say na Mama Sharon be that. I'm just speaking on her behalf as a fellow woman like me, woman staff for woman. Your grandma no be a Sonia blue hair with 13 brain. The Jagba where what the Bob one of TikTok or tie serio or we talk me or where Babana Sonia Babana Sharon ga ewu or where to ga ekpe no ga ewu do wa we no bomb we can wag mama no ga sin me one little die extent what it happen why una call liver make die why una free am why una free her make she can't die? Ask this woman question. If you want to be say something, if you know say you want to say something reasonable, they ask this woman question. Would this way argue? Don't worry, argue because now what is so that they talk now? Me particularly myself make me come out for Facebook on the talk and for not involved for this matter because it has nothing to do with me. It has nothing to do with me. I know whether they pay una. I am not paid for anything because I say when anybody where do ever stand for where do ever stand say may they stand for justice or may they stand for truth for social media, that person will be paid or it will be paid. Why this woman they talk many talk you not stop her? People can't they drag you and now you know say you want to defend yourself, say your own side of the story. Easy. I repeat. If you know you want to help Sharon, join her mother to take care of those children. DJ Jami of hospital. DJ Jami of Mami of hospital. Omo bon. Abitoga se omo na run where. Ni wa ga na mama me aga domomoji no we agbo hospital or ni me agbo hospital no we domomoji. Although we are not general, we say thank you for all your good part that you did. If you really want to be a friend, if you really want to be completely friend, so that all these nyama people they say easy, no say. Try all your personal best when you join that woman. Take care of those children. All this one why can't they come out? Why can't they come out? Why can't they explain the one where the people whether you send the message or not, you send the message as fast. Do not go against those people that are saying easy say. As far as you not go against those ones, my sister, talk the one where you know and leave the rest. Even you hear Dota, you are not a family member, you are just a friend. If you say you want to come up, but you know wahala. But stop all those people where they bring information from you and your mother, where they boss ear, where they boss brain. Words where they come out for inside this woman mouth, if they boss ear, if they boss brain, because those are not words that are supposed to be coming from your mother. If not, if you know it's not be your mother, send this woman message. See, do the video. See the letter. Say you have nothing to do with this ole Morocco of idiot. Say you and your mama not they send a message because I mean look no go la dia. Or say mama yari ulo kwagada. Or say the job mononya monogu ya soon vacant. And she said, I repeat, that whatever she's saying is coming from you and your mother. Now what is it? What I say make I can't respond to you on that? Not be that. All you have done, you do well. Thank you. You are a friend. I not deny. I not dispute that. But me, I not go stand anybody where they drag that woman, that girl, that innocent woman, mama. I will never stand it. I will never stand anybody where they drag that woman, whether she did wrong or she did bad. She's in the time of her money. Not just mourning a lizard, but her first and only daughter. We're gonna let her money peace. She not pull pistol. She not carry pistol. She not poinzy. I don't know what the grievances she had with her daughter, and I don't want to know because me I get my own with my mama. Not be me, I will not help me the solver. It's just that it's so unfortunate. It's so unfortunate that it's just also unfortunate that the girl could not make it to make a proper peace with her mother before she passed out. That is just my point. Let her come and say it. Whatever anybody have to say, anything where any corner word where they give you, say it out in public, nothing to hide. This might be anybody's sister tomorrow. This might be anybody's sister, anybody's brother tomorrow, anybody's wife, anybody's daughter tomorrow. If she they do the letter, be invite me or share to my messenger or to my inbox, may I can't listen by myself. I be one time say you easy, never get issue with your mama. Of course. Everybody we are born to disagree to agree. If the agreement did not, it's just that the agreement between her and her mother did not come before she passed out. That's just the thing. When I let that woman make she rest. You go tell this one, I will leave this one for another day. Let me hear her. Easy tell you for. Don't come and finish. Because the one when you want to talk, they don't talk for your behalf. Who tell them are you? If you say not be you, as you tell you saw people where they drag you, also call you saw these motherfuckers where they say that they get information from you and your mother. What else you want to talk where they never talk? What do you remember when you never talk? What is left? La wakia, loka wa tita no ya jemu wu na menefia wu. Nobody's not. Every one of us is going to pay the price one day. We all owe the debt already. We're going to pay the price. Each and every one of us on a very good day. Either young or old. It doesn't predict the time it comes. What via go for me. We my kweji. Agboyaga delete or go for me. Let the page here. A log and I cat no bagay on the fast or like all the drag that body, they drag the mama. If person no want to go, they make person want to talk. If you want to really support the fact, because that body is not your family, it's not my family. Everybody they pays the go for me and their account number post everywhere. You go to your WhatsApp group, as you said, to your fans in your WhatsApp group. You go give your account number, say if you don't complete 2 million before you go put up for account where they public, and you pay it to that account where they public. My brother, where business, oh, even know where. Not be that, but you will not be your way, not relate to you. Oh. This camera, as small, they buy a mo. A camera, I done my brother. Obeke na be gwali se ekpati oyiri. Nu wa eko be social media. Wa eko be social media. I know every one of us needs money, but mind how you go for the money part of it. Mind what you do for this so-called money that you are looking for. What is now, okay, what is the difference? You copy the link, you pin now for your WhatsApp group. My fans, so my lovers, so now the go for me where they say more support our less sister channel be this. So anything wanna get as my fans, as my lovers, as my followers. I go 1 month as more see try, me raise 2 million for these people. Make I know say look your fans, see try. That will be a plus on your side. It will be a very plus on your side. Oh. You just carry a comment, you go put your phone number for your WhatsApp group, they don't say, if they say one person don't put 500, one person, my brother, that's small matter, they fall in self and for crying out loud. Small thing matter, they fall in self and for God's sake. You got a sister, you got a wife, I got a family too, I got a daughter too, I'm myself too, I'm a woman too. This is might happen to anybody. Why young man will make social media now? Because when they see the kind of timing, the kind bad death where people they kill their wife, they kill their husband, they kill their self, so where they happen for you also. Wanna do akuna matata. Wanna take her easy, yo. Wanna take her easy. Waka wujobo. I get la lobo de important. We bojare we body also, but I be peto imiere. Ebe peto imiere, my brother. Ebe hu imiere. Oyimi bo mi oyimi. Onwanu wedding eduma kwedin o. The ye otu ene kere. Okana bi agwala tara, gwalila lobo wuwe. Wila lobo lero ma lere. Why must it be your account number? That one I see finish. Uwa meje Sharon mi oti onokbuya. Even me the Sharon, me everybody full. Now see everything about that family. Now see that family finish from A to Z, from the mother to the son to the daughter, even to the deceased. Now see everybody finish for that family. I never want to talk. I wish you say easy, quick come out. Say cause it said the what is be. This matter for no escalate reach like this. Maybe now what you come out for your mouth, the for the dance now. That all those many talk for different corner they come out. Especially from this one down. Yoga man of your one. Yes, Sandra, yes, Stanley, yes, Frank and Nanini. Oti zozo, oti osi, woka, ona. Eme no eta logu jueta bungbe. Eme no wu wabi jueta no eta be social. Wabi we me Facebook mi agaga obun. Abe motata. E mota gwele eme be afen ko na wata mata ya wahin. All of them are just truth. Or na truth you no want talk by yourself because say make she go help you talk am. My sister ke azekbe. Why you one way me? Death is unpredictable for any motherfucker. It might be you, it might be me, it might be your sibling, it might be your friend, it might be your close neighbor, it might be anybody tomorrow. And my part where I say I can't clear you, not be that. If you want to insult people where they drag you, they insult the people where they say you say, your mama say. If you know say not be why your mama they send them, also add the joy. Don't just come out and start insulting everybody because your mouth long. I know they like this kind of play. I not just want to talk to you anyhow, but if there's anything you want to say, come and say it once and for us and let everybody hear what. Wanna go there better than body more rest. Or then no kona water kedo wa wiju water. Maka me when again now wa wiju do gele mo boy no nata. There wa gele ata. They come and they drag the some people where they drag you. Eri amere regboto. Eri ane hunjin yahu. They amane hunjin yahu. Eri atata we. They let you know now that they not that they atata was saying what people they hear. What did they hear that they talk. You know if you address that one. Do my money. There's gonna be fine. Yeah, ma. The region may say I have my man. Say university or jena. Oh, ma. You go better.